Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we've got a quick guide for you guys. We're going to show you how to disable the Windows Defender Antivirus in Windows 10 or 11. Before we jump into that video, if you're interested in purchasing Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, Microsoft Office, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. I like Windows Defender as a threat protection tool, and it is recommended to always have some form of threat protection on your computer. We would also suggest that if you are going to switch it off like we're showing you in this video, be sure to turn it back on when you're finished with whatever you were doing. I prefer Windows Defender to any third-party antivirus personally, but that decision is up to you. So what I'll do is I'll hit Windows key and S, and I'll type Windows Security. This is going to be in the system settings, which we could access manually as well. Click down to Virus and Threat Protection. Underneath Virus and Threat Protection settings, click Manage Settings. Uncheck the first option here, which is Real-Time Protection, and select Yes on the pop-up. Now, in order to get back into the settings, I'll show you guys the actual manual way to get there. So Windows key and I to get to settings. And here I'm on Windows 11, so this may be in a slightly different location on Windows 10, but go down to Privacy and Security and click Windows Security again, Virus and Threat Protection. And then again, I will click Manage Settings, and we can switch this to toggle it back on, and I will select Yes. Now, the last thing we wanted to mention is that if you're on a third-party antivirus, the steps will be relatively similar. However, you just need to open that program and follow the steps within. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about disabling antivirus on Windows 10 or 11, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas that you may have. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.